While working with the files from various sources like images from your computer, some are downloaded from internet and some from your camera, the name of the files will be odd because you have taken them from different sources. Even if you don't, the naming convention of camera or most of the devices is not as friendly as you want them. For that, Adobe Bridge provides a fantastic tool named Batch Rename. For that, select all the files you want to rename at once. If you want to select all the files, there is a shortcut Ctrl A. So as you can see, there are 102 items selected. After you select the files you want to rename, right click on any of them and select Batch Rename. This will open up a pop-up. In this dialog, there is a preset name, but we will leave it from here. There is a destination folder. If you want to rename in the same folder, leave it as it is. But if you want to move to the other folder after renaming these files, you select Move to Other Folder option. Or if you want to copy these files to another location and rename it, you select the third option. For now, we will leave it as it is. Now, here is the way you rename all these files. In the preview over here, this is the current file name and this is the new file name based on the settings we choose here. If you click here, there will be a list of information that you can use to rename these files. The first is text, so you can provide a custom text over here, which is project and which is fine for us. Then there is a date time. You can select any of the information from the metadata of the image if you want to. If you want to add more, you can click on this add button. But for now, we will remove all of them. We just want the project and a sequence number. For that, we will select the sequence number. Then you can put from where to start. So we are starting from 1, and from the third menu you can select how many digits should be there. Let's select 4. There are other options for using with some other operating systems. We will leave it there and select rename. As you can see, all of our files have been renamed and now it is much better to find them. This is how you can rename all your file at once using the information in the metadata.